In this video, I will share with you 7 YouTube channel ideas that you can start this year. So without further ado, let's start with the first YouTube channel idea. So the first YouTube channel idea that you can do is how-to videos, okay? So basically, you're gonna make videos about how to do things. And if you don't know what you're gonna talk about, very simple, you can just go to YouTube, learn about something, and go and make a video, make a better video about it, okay? I think it's very simple. For example, this one here, as you can see, how to convert Word to PDF in laptop, okay? As you can see, there are many videos talking about it. For example, this one just 4 minutes, this one 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So you can just watch this video and learn how to do it and then make a better video about it. You see, guys? So this is the idea. And of course, you can learn on YouTube, but also there is this website called WikiHow. And this website is the best when it comes to learning how to do things, okay? So if you just scroll down, as you can see here, there are many categories here. So just pick one of these categories. For example, computer and electronics, as you can see. And now, as you can see, there are many articles here. So you can just go and learn about something here and make a video about it. So you have two options. You can just go to this website WikiHow and learn about something and then make a video about it, or just to go to YouTube and search for a video about how to do the thing you want to learn about, and then make a better video about it and publish it in your YouTube channel. And like this, you will not run out of ideas. You see, guys? So yeah, that's the first YouTube channel idea that you can do. And now let's go to another YouTube channel idea that you can do in your channel. Another YouTube channel idea that you can do is DIY crafts. And as you can see here, there are many YouTube channels are doing this type of videos. So as you can see here, we have this YouTube channel, and they are making DIY YouTube videos, as you can see. So we have here $50 tree crafts, cheap DIY ideas to make. Okay, another one, 75 best IKEA hacks. So as you can see, they are making many videos. You can just, for example, check this YouTube channel, or go to YouTube and search for DIY crafts, or just type in DIY and see what people are talking about. So you can just go and get inspired and make some videos about it. So as you can see, guys, you will not run out of ideas, because there are many YouTube channels that are talking about this. And also you can go to the website that I showed you before, WikiHow, and you can also learn from it. Just type in DIY, and as you can see, there are many articles are talking about this. You can just learn from them and make videos about it, okay? So all you have to do is just go learn about it and make video about it and publish it on your YouTube channel, okay? Another YouTube channel idea that you can start is top 10 something, okay? Of course, you can use another number, not just 10. You can use 7 or any number you want. But the idea here is top 10 something, okay? For example, if you want to make a YouTube channel about movies, you will make YouTube videos about top 10 movies in 2021, okay? So you get the idea. Of course, you can choose other topic, not just movies. This is just an example, but of course you can choose any other any other topic you want. The idea here is just to do top 10 or top 7 or top 3 videos about it, okay? And we have here this YouTube channel. As you can see, they have just 2,600 subscribers, but they are getting 1,000 views, 1,000 views. Sometimes they are getting 6,000 views, and they got in this video 80,000 views. And as you can see, they are doing a lot of videos about top 10, as you can see, and sometimes they do top 5, but most of the videos are just top 10, top 10, top 10. You see, guys? So you get the idea. The idea is to just make videos about top 10 or top 7 or top 5, okay? Another YouTube channel idea is health and fitness tips, okay? So you can make a YouTube channel and talk about health tips and fitness tips, okay? You can do them both, or you can do one of them. And as you can see, there are many YouTube channels are talking about this. You can just, again, go to YouTube and search about it and learn, or you go to Google and just search for it, and you will find a lot of articles talking about this. Learn from it and make a video about it. Of course, don't just copy the exact thing and do it, okay? Don't do that, but learn and then, talk about it in your way, okay? And as you can see, this channel is talking about health and fitness tips, as you can see. But of course, if you don't want to show yourself, you can do that. For example, as you can see, this channel called 5-Minute Treatment, as you can see, they have almost 700,000 subscribers, and they don't show their face, as you can see. So as you can see, you don't need to show yourself. You just need to make this type of videos. You can just use images and voice over, okay? this is what you can do, and I will make a video to show you how you can do this. Okay, how to use just how to make videos by just writing a script and having a voiceover and just using some stock images. Okay, I'm gonna make a video to show you how you can do that. Another YouTube channel idea that you can do is movie reactions. So basically the idea is just to make reactions about movies. Okay, as you can see, so there are many YouTube channels are doing this. So we have this channel here, as you can see. This person here is doing reactions about movies and series. You see, guys? So if you really like movies and you just enjoy watching movies or you enjoy watching series, so why not you just make reactions? By the way, the reactions are very simple. You are just showing your reaction while watching the movie. So I think it's a win-win. You are enjoying watching the movie, so why not record yourself while watching it and publish it in your YouTube channel? The only thing here is you need to show yourself. But of course, if you don't want to show yourself, you can use one of the other YouTube channel ideas that I showed you before, or that I'm gonna show you after this one, okay? And this is another YouTube channel. As you can see, they are also doing the same thing, just reactions about movies, as you can see. So yeah, this is basically the idea. You just make reactions about movies or series, okay, guys? Another YouTube channel idea that you can do is book reviews. So you can make a YouTube channel and just talk about books. So if you like reading books, or if you enjoy reading books, why not you make a YouTube channel and talk about books? Okay, and as you can see, there are many YouTube channels are talking about this. So we have this YouTube channel, and this person is talking just about books. And as you can see, this person is getting a lot of views, 220,000 views, 470,000 views, 320,000 views, 540,000 views. So as you can see, there are a lot of people are looking for YouTube channels like this, and there are not a lot of YouTube channels talking about this, by the way. That's why, as you can see, this person is getting a lot of views. And one thing about this YouTube channel idea is that the competition is not very high. Okay, so if you're really gonna make a YouTube channel dedicated only to books review, talking about books, I'm sure that you will get a lot of people to subscribe to your YouTube channel and start to watch your videos. Okay, so yeah, if you really like reading books, why not start a YouTube channel and start to talk about it? Okay. Another YouTube channel idea is software reviews. So there are many softwares out there, and people don't know if it's a good software or not. And of course, how they're gonna know is by going to YouTube and search for the software review. So you can create a YouTube channel and start to review these softwares. Okay, so we have this software here is a Weber. This software is a email marketing software. Okay, as you can see, so there are many people are talking about this software. So if I want to know if this software is a good software, I can just go to YouTube and search for it and then watch one of these videos and see if it's a good software or not. And the good thing about this, you don't need to show your face. Okay, so you can just record your screen and start to talk about this software. And of course, if you don't know any software, very simple. Of course, you can just go to YouTube and search for it and learn about it and then make a better video about it. Okay, so this is the key. You go and watch not just one video, watch more than one, watch 3 videos or 5 videos talking about the same product, and then take some notes, okay, and see what they are missing, what they are not talking about. And also, why not go and read the comments, okay? So for example, if you choose one of these videos, go and read the comments, what people are asking about, okay? And also, you can go to other websites like Reddit and Quora. Those are good websites where you will find a lot of people are talking about that software. So when you gather a lot of information, you can make a video and talk about almost everything that maybe those people didn't mention in their videos. So this is how you're gonna make a better video. Okay, guys? So just go search and learn about it and then make a better video. Okay, guys? So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Those are the YouTube channel ideas that I want to share with you. I'm gonna make other videos to talk about other YouTube channel ideas. Okay, guys? So yeah, guys, that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.